Hi, welcome guys, welcome to Hub. In this video, we are discussing the paper of accountancy. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers of all the subjects in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Here the questions are 1 to 6 are given, which is all of accountancy, and 1 2 3 questions you have to write in the 40 to 60 words, and question number 4 you have to write in the 100 to 150 words, and question number 6, which is a project based question, which you need to write in 500 words. If you want this, contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any other guidance, we are here for help. You can contact anytime.